Well, one thing that comes with aging is inevitable. We all know this, those dreaded wrinkles. And it seems like we've just tried everything in our search for something, anything that works, especially in this area here between the sides of the nose and the mouth. To treat the lines, doctors call nasolabial folds. Now, many baby boomers these days are turning to Restylane, a product approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration for the correction of moderate to severe facial wrinkles and folds. Here to educate us about the benefits is Dr. David Felder and a patient who has tried it with great success, Marav Bradshaw. Thank you so much for being with us here. Marav, I have to start by saying you look absolutely great, and I know we'll get to you more in depth in just a moment, but we really want to do right now, Dr. Felder, is clarify the difference between Botox and Restylane.
They're used for different wrinkles. Botox is used between the eyebrows or the frown lines, whereas Restylane is used between the corners of the mouth and the nose, what we call nasolabial folds.
And so, Marav, why did you decide to choose Restylane?
I had deep lines on my face that I was uncomfortable with, and I wanted to look as young as I felt, and so Restylane was recommended to me.
And so when you decided to do it, no hesitations at all, because you've done the research as well, right?
I did do research, and it was recommended to me. Restylane was by my doctor, and my doctor did discuss some of the side effects, redness and swelling, pain, bruising, tenderness at the injection site. But quite honestly, I didn't have much of that.
Oh, well, the results are beautiful.
Thank you.
And Dr. Felder, let's focus now just on Restylane. How does it work?
As we get older, we lose the volume in our face, and we develop the lines and the wrinkles and the folds. Restylane is a clear gel that's injected with a fine syringe into the skin, and it restores the volume that we've lost with aging. The results are virtually instantaneous, and it lasts about 6 months or so.
What is Restylane made of?
It's a non-animal hyaluronic acid gel or polysaccharide, which is basically an ultra-long chain of sugar molecules. And we also make hyaluronic acid in our body, and it has this affinity to attract water, increasing the plumpness of the skin.
So, Dr. Felder, how long has Restylane been around?
Well, Restylane is the world's best-selling dermal filler. In Europe alone, it's been used for over 12 years and is now used in more than 70 countries.
What are some of the things that may concern your patients? I know a lot of them already come to you pretty educated, but what are some concerns they may have about Restylane?
Typically, the side effects are mild, and those include bruising, swelling, redness, tenderness, and pain, and usually resolve within a week's time.
Where can people go to find out more information about Restylane, also to find a doctor near them who may be able to help them with this procedure?
They can go to the website www.restylaneusa.com, and they can find before and after pictures of patients who've had Restylane, and they can use a tool to visualize how many syringes they would need, and again, to locate a licensed practitioner.
Sounds good. Thank you so much, Marav. Thank you for being here. You look absolutely beautiful. Doctor, we appreciate you as well.
Thanks very much.